Goedemorgen mensen, I'm here bij Kamdar. Geen Kamdar, maar Kamdar. Het is een stoppenwinkel. En je hebt tegen eigenlijk dumpprijzen stofjes te koop. In Engels. We are in a cloth shop. But they have very nice clothes for very little money. So go and take a look. Sandra is already in. Just after my permission, see like this. 18-19 per square meter. Consider 20 ringgit is about €4. So you can calculate a bit. You have everything. 12 ringgit. You even have pants. 79 ringgit. See, 79 ringgit, 80 ringgit, €32. Shirts to have. 47 ringgit. €10. So I have quite a lot. So Sandra is daar. Looking for some cloth for a blouse. That's everything here.
Yeah, looking forward to everything, madam.
Son. Nice.
Strawberry.
Very nice.
Upstairs also have the plain one.
Yeah, later I will go upstairs. Yeah, make this for YouTube.
YouTube. Oh, YouTube. What channel?
Wait, I'll show you.
Yeah.
Maybe tonight or later I will. Can scan this?
Oh, this one.
Scan with your phone?
Oh, I don't have phone in my counter because I
Cannot use the phone. Wait, I'll show you another one. Later.
You look at my face. I teach you many times.
I think it looks nice. Yeah.
No, you should not look at the cloth first. You should look at my face.
And this is. Okay, go on WhatsApp first.
Tapi masing aja. Kalau kata barang hijau apa?
Ik ga even boven kijken.
Tu orang mati kat masing ha. Sebut tu. Betul.
Very hot outside. Look at my sweating. It was all plain. So much. 29 ringgit, 4 ringgit, 50. See. 5 ringgit. €1 per meter. So much. 8 ringgit, €2. Satin, look like it. Look at them. Twee choice nog, son. Girls cannot have a phone. There's another floor. I will go there, see what happens. Five floors, eh? Thank God. Have a lot. There's an aircon here. Thing don't work. Yeah, drink it. Afternoon. Don't go up, sir. Or should I? Oh, God. So many. Six floors up. You walk around here for 3 days. Carpets. I'm going down, down, down. Okay, very nice shop. If you move here, you can buy all the stuff here. Denk je muziek een probleem wordt voor YouTube?
I'm buying this.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, good. You have 6 more floors to go. Huh?
I'm done with you.
6 floors. Okay. See you next time. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye.